Hey guys, Tony here from TonyTechBytes, and this is the Whitestone dome glass screen protector for the OnePlus 7 Pro. And I just contacted them and asked them for a review sample, and they sent two. They didn't pay me at all for this review, just as a disclaimer. So the first thing you notice about this screen protector is that the installation process seems really daunting. I mean, you have to install it in an installation tray and then also use a UV light to cure the glue. And this seems really difficult compared to traditional screen protectors, where usually you would just wipe the screen and install the screen protector and it would just stick on. But in this case, it's a little bit different, and I'll walk you through the basics of installing it, but I won't go in depth into installing it because I'm still a noob and this was my first time installing it, so I wouldn't really take advice from me. So the first step to installing the screen protector is to wipe the screen, and they include a bunch of alcohol wipes, which is very appreciated. And you basically just wipe the screen and make sure there's no dust on the actual display. Then you put it on the tray and you have to set up a couple other things. They have instructions inside the box, and there are also really helpful videos on YouTube that I checked out. So anyways, when you follow the directions, you apply basically a glob of glue, and it's in a liquid form. So you have to tilt the tray so that the glue meets the center, and then basically drop the screen protector onto the screen. And the glue spreads out really evenly, which is really satisfying to watch. So basically after that, you have to clean up everything because glue spills all over and it's actually really sticky. And one thing I noticed about the glue was that it also smells really bad. Like it smells like Chinese medicine, which is not a good thing. And I think it's pretty toxic to inhale as well. So if possible, I would recommend installing it with a window open, or at least better ventilation, so you don't have to inhale all those fumes. Once you wipe off the glue, you should get the UV light out and cure the glue, and they have instructions on how to do that. You basically just shine the light on top of the phone and it will dry the glue and make sure that the connection between the screen protector and the screen is tight. The installation was actually really nice, and I didn't really have any messed up edges or anything. The first time I tried it, I actually didn't reach the very bottom of the screen protector with glue, but all I had to do was take it out and wipe it off with alcohol and just redo the steps. But after that, it actually looked pretty good. The screen protector itself is made of tempered glass, and it's a really high quality one. I'm not really sure of the hardness or the durability, since I'm not really willing to break it right after installing it. It does cover the entirety of the display, and it doesn't hinder most cases, since this case that came included in the box works really well. And prior to this, I was using a cheaper tempered glass screen protector that was really janky. I just didn't like the installation process because it just felt like it wasn't touching the screen. And I actually got a halo rainbowy effect with it, but I'm not getting that with this screen protector. And with this installation process of applying a liquid adhesive and spreading it around, I feel like it's more precise and accurate than just having like a sticky screen protector, because this actually gets through all the edges and ensures that there are minimal bubbles. Whereas with traditional screen protectors, you're gonna have air bubbles all over the place because the adhesive isn't spreading out all over. So I'm really impressed with this screen protector. It also doesn't hinder the fingerprint sensor at all, and I'd say it's actually a little bit faster than the other screen protector I had on, considering that one probably wasn't making proper contact. This screen protector is really good. It doesn't degrade screen quality as well, since it looks pretty clear and sharp, and yeah, it's pretty good. So I have to say I'm really impressed with this, and I'm glad that there finally is a good alternative to all the other garbage screen protectors on Amazon. Even though this is expensive, I'd say it's worth it because really there's no other screen protector like it. You're not going to get the premium build quality, the premium installation process, and overall the premium fitting that comes with this Whitestone dome glass screen protector. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of the Whitestone screen protector for the OnePlus 7 Pro. And if you'd like to pick one up, I have links in the description down below for your convenience. And if you purchase from that, I also get a little bit of commission to help out the channel grow at no additional cost to you. Please subscribe and like if this video helped you out in any way. And yeah, see you guys next time.